In today's video, I am going to teach you learn how to create and sell printable coloring pages in Canva. We'll start from a blank canvas and finish with a crisp, print-ready PDF you can confidently offer to customers. First, open Canva and click Create a Design. Choose Custom Size and set it to 8.5 by 11 inches. That's standard US letter. A perfect choice for home printers and most print shops. Keep it in portrait orientation unless you have a specific landscape layout in mind. Starting with the exact size avoids scaling issues later and ensures your lines stay sharp. Now let's build the artwork. Head to the Elements tab and use the search bar. Try phrases like animal black and white outline, coloring page, or a specific theme you have in mind, such as dinosaurs, butterflies, or farm scenes. Look for graphics that are true black outlines with white interiors. Avoid shaded or gray-filled images because colorists want clean spaces to fill. Click the element you like to add it to your page, then scale it so it fits comfortably without crowding the edges. If you are arranging several elements, leave breathing room so the page feels open and inviting to color. Add optional titles or prompts with a fun outline look. Select the text tool, then apply the splice or hollow effect to create an outline font. Make the outline black and the interior white for consistency with the rest of the page. Adjust the thickness so the lines are bold enough to print cleanly but not so heavy that they overpower the design. A quick check: everything on the page should be black outlines with white filler. No unexpected colors. To give the page a professional finish, add a clean margin. From the Shapes menu, choose a square or rectangle. Then stretch it to form a border just inside the page edges. Set the fill to transparent and the border stroke to black. Center it on the page and keep a comfortable margin about ½ inch inside the edges to prevent printers from clipping your design. Before exporting, zoom in to confirm your lines are smooth, edges aren't cut off, and your text is spelled correctly. When you are happy, click Download and choose PDF Print. This format preserves line quality and is ideal for home printing and professional print services. Save your file with a clear name so it's easy to organize and share. Your printable coloring page is now ready to print and sell as a polished PDF. Thanks for watching.